Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good afternoon. Excuse me, sir. My name is Muhammad Endra Muharram. I'm from class Nautical 40 Bravo. I want to talk about ISM code or International Safety Management Code for my middle exam. So let's begin. Saving safety management issues cannot be separate from the rules of the International Safety Management Code or ISM code, which are interpreted as International Shipping Safety Management Regulation for the safety of ship safety and prevention, established by the IMO Maritime Safety Council. Based on data from the International Maritime Organization, many ship accidents are caused by human error and error caused by poor management of the ship company. Where it is very clear that the management system of the company or ship operator is very influential or important on the condition of the ship's maritime affairs. The master on the ship must always pay attention to the condition of the ship properly because the master is the highest decision maker on the ship, so the responsibility of the master is a big responsibility. Meanwhile, equipment, maintenance of ship, construction documents, and ship documents, as well as a cargo with an offshore management system, all systems are implemented based on the International Safety Management Code to avoid management of sailing company. International safety management is a part cannot be accessed by the SOLAS Convention based on the Maritime Safety Commit IMO Agreement on May 25, 1024, which was motivated by accidents against ships. The, the ISM code is to provide international standard for the safe management and operation of ships and for pollution prevention. The origins of the code go back to the late 1980 when there was growing concern about poor management standard in shipping. The catastrophic capsizing of the Herald of Free Enterprise passenger or car ferry in March 1987 and investigation into several accidents revealed grave misconduct on the part of the company management. According in 1987, the IMO Assembly adopted Resolution A 596, which asked the Maritime Safety Committee to develop guidelines on ship and land ROPs based management to ensure the safe operation of passenger ro-ro ferries. In 1994, the ISM Code was formally adopted and integrated as a part of the SOLAS Convention, while later in 1998 it became mandatory for all tankers and bulk carriers, with general cargo ships to follow by 2001. The ISM Code has been the most controversial of all shipping legislative documents. After 20 years of implementation, assume that the ISM Code only creates more paperwork in ship operation. However, the general idea and purpose of this code is to promote a safety culture based on a document environmental operation assessment in which each has specific rules and responsibilities, or but onshore personnel and ship crew. This standard stipulates that the company is responsible for taking over all that is imposed by the ISM code. Incorporating SMS or safety management system into normal business operation, it also requires internal and external audit certificates. Design person or DPA who will take the liaison between the vessel and the owner and explain the level of authority and lens communication. It's also accompanied by checklist, relate prompt and producers. ISM Code amendments. In July 2002, the ISM Code was initially amended by Resolution 140, adding definition and chapter 30 until 60. 1 July 2006, the ISM Code was further amended by Resolution 179, inserting new section to the form of the DOC or Document of Compliance and SMC or Safety Management Certificate. 1 January 2009, the ISM Code was amended by Resolution 160-195, adding text to the form of the full name and interim document and the SMC certificate. 1 July 2010, ISM Code Resolution 273 entered into force, introducing, among others, amendment by definition, addition of cross-reference, risk recruitments, specific interval for implementation, and SMS review effectiveness criteria. 1 January 2005, the last amendment by Resolution 353 entered into force, updating and cross-linking the existing IMO documents. In the Republic Indonesia, the application of the ISM Code, which is also part of SOLAS, this is required based on several laws and regulations as follows. 1. Law number 2021 of 1062 concerning shipping. 2. Law number 17 of 2008 concerning shipping, which this is a refinement of law number 21. President Decree number 65 of 1918 concerning ratification of SOLAS. SK Direktur Jenderal Perhubungan Laut number 67 1 6 until 60 until 96, that July 1996 concerning enforcement of ship safety management. Based on Director General's decree in the ISM Code applies to Indonesian flag ship as for domestic and international shipping. Mobile offshore drilling unit which have a gross weight of more than 500,000 or modus that are asked in the process of drilling for oil are also included in the ships that are required to apply this ISM Code. The ISM Code consists of several elements. Clause or in ISM this is referred to as the code. The code is more or less identical to the clause that become the requirements of CES and ISO. Following are the rules, conditions, codes, or clauses found in the ISM. Code number 1. General or consisting of definition, purpose, application, and functional requirements for safety management system. Code number 2. Safety and Environmental Protection Police. Code number 3. Responsibilities and authorities. Code number 4. Design personnel. Code number 5. Responsibility and authorities of the master. Code number 6. Resource and personnel. Code number 7. Developmental of operation plan on ship. Code number 8. Emergency preparedness. emergency preparedness. Code number 9, reports and analysis of non-conformance, accidents, and hazardous events. Code number 10, maintenance of ship and equipment. Code number 11, documentation. Code number 12, company verification, review, and evaluation. Code number 13, certification, verification, and control. Okay, maybe that's all for me. Thank you for your attention, sir, and good afternoon. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.